Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I hope you guys are safe, secure and healthy. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video and I am literally sorry for the absence. But I missed you guys. Seriously, I definitely missed you guys. I hope you missed me too. Now let's jump into the video. Today I have a food review and the product is an instant noodles and the brand is Picnic. So let me just show you. So this is the brand Picnic and it is a Thai based product and the flavor is hot and spicy tom yum instant noodles. Now this product is completely vegetarian and it has no meat or protein in it. Now as you can see, this is a product of Thailand and it is on the spicier side. That we will check it out in couple of minutes. Now if I come to the packaging, then the packaging is quite decent. Like, it's in the form of a bowl. There is nothing, no fuss about it. It is quite simple packaging and what should I say, minimization of packaging. Like, every detail, everything is given here and there is no extra labeling or anything. Just simple and clean and cut, which I liked it. All the ingredients are mentioned here and the cooking method, you can either microwave it or you can just pour hot water over it and rest it for 3 minutes and the noodles will be ready to eat. So let's just check inside what are the things or stuffs that is inside it and we will get into the cooking. So here we have a small fork, masala or the spice mixture. I guess this is the oil or kind of a mixture, and the noodles. So let's just make it and I'll be right back. Okay guys, before going into the video, let me just clarify the fact that this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this product by my own money and the price of this product is 95 rupees. Okay, so let's jump into the cooking session.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
So guys, I'm back with the noodles. Now by looking at it, it looks really good. Now if I go by the aroma, then it does smell like tom yum. Now let's see whether it is spicy or whether it has that beautiful tom yum aroma, not aroma, but the beautiful tom yum flavor that I love. Let me just go with the soup or broth or the liquid. Oh wow, it's really lemony and it's spicy but not too spicy. Let me try it with the noodles. So I'm using the fork that they have given. I'm not using the chopsticks I have because I thought that why not try it with the fork. So let's dig into it. The noodles are really nice it has that perfect thickness and texture. I think it needs a little more water, but the broth is really nice. It has that beautiful tom yum flavor, and it is not that spicy. So for those who loves their spice, well, you might be a bit disheartened because it is not that spicy. I think you need to add a bit of chili flakes in it or pepper if you want that intense heat to it. It is quite lemony, like you can get the sour taste of it really well, which I love in my tom yum. Now in this given price, the flavor is really good except for the heat, but the quantity is a bit less. I think a bit more of a noodles would have been good. Otherwise everything is good. It is in a one bowl, so if you have some kind of work or busy doing something, just add hot water and leave it, and you can just do your work or binge watch anything while having it. You don't need extra bowl or anything else. Now there are no additional vegetables like mushroom or anything else as shown in the picture. The flavors are really good, and the texture of the noodles is also really nice, except for the quantity. I think a little bit more of a quantity would have been good. So yeah, this one is a really nice noodles. I absolutely loved it. So guys, that was the noodles. It was beautiful. The taste was perfectly balanced. Yes, coming to the heat factor of the spiciness, well, it is not that spicy. You need to add your own chili flakes or pepper to it in order to make it spicy, but it has that beautiful aroma and that sour flavor which tom yum has. Now there are no additional vegetables or anything, so if you want to make it a really wholesome meal, then you can definitely add your own mushrooms to it. Just boil mushrooms differently and whatever the vegetables you need, and just add it together, or you can alternate or modify it. Not alternate, but you can modify it. I will show you a beautiful way of modifying a simple instant noodles into a wholesome meal in my next video. Now coming to the price, it is 95 rupees, and I think it is it's a well balanced amount, not too high, not too less. But yes, I would have loved if it had a bit more of a quantity to it, because I think it won't suffice a really hungry person. Apart from that, from the packaging, from the flavor, it is well good. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Give a thumbs up button and share them among your friends. If you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to try any of the product, then let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to do that for you. So guys, I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye guys. Stay safe, stay indoors, don't go outside unless and until it is really important. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.